Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! How are you today? I got the munchies, so I'm gonna cure my munchies bastard style. Really simple one today. One of my favorite sandwiches of all time. Grilled cheese with pepperoni and mustard. Fuck yeah! Woohoo! RTFO mofos, but before we get to curing the munchies, let's cure the thirsties with a fresh can of Carling Lager, 4.9%. Fuck yeah. Cheers, big ears. Woohoo! It's been a while since I did a Cure the Munchies video. Oh, that's good. So, simple. We got, for our cheese, we got some Cracker Barrel, Monterey Jack Jalapeno. Fuck yeah. And what is our pepperonis here? Roma. La Pizzeria Pepperonis. And just some plain white bread. So we're going to butter that. Throw on a couple of slices of cheese, some pepperoni and mustard. We got the just using the French's yellow mustard today. And we're going to do this in the panini press. So let me butter the bread, get some pepperonis out, bring the press over and warm it up. And let's get fucking sandwich making, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Fuck yeah. Fuck, that's good, eh? Alright, bitches. The press is heating. I'll bring it over. We're going to build this sandwich real quick. We're going to take a shot of beer, drink up buttercup. Woohoo! The bread has been buttered. The bottom is buttered, the top is buttered. One of our slices of our Cracker Barrel Monterey Jack Jalapeno cheese. Pepperonis. Boom. Boom. Don't skimp on the pepperonis. Bam. Cheese. Pepperonis. I didn't bring enough out, eh? Don't worry. We get a few more on there, eh? What do you think? That's good enough. And mustard. Let's throw a wee bit of mustard on there. Uh-oh, time for a new mustard. There you go, bitches. Fuck yeah. Another shot of cheese. Woo, you doggy. Bam. There you go. That's what I call a fucking pepperoni sandwich. Alright. Where's that thing? Boom. Green light is on. We're good to go. Green light went off. We're not good to go. It's okay. We're good to go. Where's the spatula? So we're going to put this in here for, maybe 3-4 minutes. And we'll give her a flipperoo, or a spinneroo, I should say. Sizzle, sizzle, manizzle. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. You can watch it go. I'll bring it back. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. RTFO mofos. Back in a minute. Alright, bitches. It's been a couple of minutes here. Probably closer to 3. Oh, it's looking nice. Give her a little spinneroo and we can get an elbow shot in for our buddy. Leave her for about another minute. And then we'll pull her off, eh? Enough time to finish this beer and maybe open another one. Woohoo! Fuck yeah! Why am I not doing this in a pan? I feel lazy. It's easy. Plug it in and poof. Away she goes. It's away she goes. Fuck yeah. Alright. What we got going on here? Oh, fuck yeah. There are about 30 more seconds. And we good. Munchies, be gone. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Boom. C is for cookie. It's good enough for me. Boom. Woohoo! Let me move this out of the way. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. There you go. It's not oozing, but that's okay. I'm happy with it. That's how it looks right there. Pepperoni. 3 slices of cheese. Nice, fresh, new Carling lager. Brewed in Canada. Fuck yeah. Gotta love it. Alright, bitches. Here we go. Mmm. Oh, fuck me. Mmm. Pepperoni, cheese and mustard. Fuck yeah. That's fucking great. Fast, easy, good for you. Mmm. The munchies are fleeing. Fuck yeah. Go and make yourself one of these. It's fucking good. Mmm. Alright, bitches. Short video. I know it's rare, eh? Mmm. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck yeah. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and rock the fuck on. Woohoo! RTFO, bitches.